The Director General at the Office of Utilities Regulation, Ansford Hewitt, is defending the decision to grant a 7% bill increase to the Jamaica Public Service Company following Hurricane Melissa.
Now, the adjustment, which will be reflected in November's bill, has sparked outrage among JPS customers.
But the OUR argued that the storm resulted in an estimated 30% reduction in electricity sales, which contributed significantly to the increase in fuel and independent power producer rates. Energy Minister Darrell Vaz, addressing a press briefing on Tuesday, confessed that the approval by the OUR underscored a number of issues the government has with the current JPS license.
On Radio Jamaica's Hotline program today, Mr. Hewitt admitted that the OUR had to grant the adjustment based on the JPS license. He declared that the rate increase could have been much higher.
This is what the charge is this month, and we need to pass it on. And there was no negotiation. That would have been in the order of 40%. But over time, we have agreed that, look, despite the fact that you are entitled to this pass-through, we have to manage it because your customers are to be protected against rate shocks. And therefore, what would have taken place leading up to these bills is some engagement with JPS. And we said, look, there's no way that you can pass through 40%. JPS accepts that as a reality. What is it that you can reasonably pass through to your customers at this point? And so we agreed on 7%.